Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Same Google account on your phone and the Google Home app, battery or power connected to the Nest. Once done, open Google Home, tap the plus icon, and select Setup Device, then New Device. You'll scan the QR code or accept the device code that appears. This step securely pairs the Nest to your account. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your phone so discovery and initial handshakes work smoothly. Now focus on network and account details. Choose the correct home and room in Google Home. This matters for routines and multi-room audio. Next, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Many Nest devices prefer 4 GHz for better range, though some support both bands. After connecting, you'll be prompted to link your Nest or Google services, grant permissions, and accept any authorization dialogues. This step syncs device settings and enables features like streaming, voice match, and remote control. Finish by giving the Nest a clear name and running a quick test. Ask for the time or cast audio to confirm functionality. Once confirmed, create groups or routines and enable voice match so the device recognizes you. Make sure firmware is up to date in device settings. Updates often fix connectivity issues. If something goes wrong, try rebooting the router and power cycling the Nest. Move your phone closer to the device, and only perform a factory reset if other steps fail. This preserves account links and avoids repeated setup headaches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.